Hi guys, Gilbert Reyes, kung di nyo na ako tatandaan, or for those na nandyan na dumating nung high school. Hindi ako nag-high school sa Lasal Antipolo, but I was there from grade 3 to grade 6. It's funny because 3 years lang pala yun, pero parang ang tagal-tagal kong nakasama kayo. Daming memories. Hopefully everyone's doing well. I'm here in Chicago. Nandito ko since I think for 23 years now. So everything's fine here. Hopefully ganun din sa inyo. And kumusta sa inyo lahat? Enjoy kayo. Sa mga teacher natin, ewan ko kung nandyan sila. Like yung mga tandaan ko, sila Miss Jeronimo, Mr. Rule, Mrs. Gallardo, Mrs. Reluque, and I think Sir Ginoso. I heard about him, pero hopefully next time makasama ako sa inyo. Alright, have fun. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, Francis here. Sorry won't be able to make it, work constraints. Anyway, just wanted to say hi to all my teachers, classmates. Haven't seen you guys for a very long time. Wishing everybody the best. Bye.
Hi, good evening. 30 years na pala. Bilis lang ng panahon na. I'm pretty sure walking through memory lane kanina sa campus, maraming tuksuhan, maraming asaran, maraming kwento, marami ring kwento na malamang ngayon palang lumalabas. At habang mahaba pang gabi, malamang patagalan ng kwento yan. At sigurado tuksuhan, asaran pa rin hanggang matapos kayo. In case you're wondering kung anong ginagawa ko ngayon o kung ano man ganap sa buhay ko ngayon, I'm currently working as a doctor, an ENT and a head and neck surgeon sa Bicol area for almost 10 to 15 years. Dito na ako nagkaasawa, dito na ako nagkapamilya. At patuloy na namumuhay. And I pray that all of us are doing well in life as well. To our teachers na kasama niyo po dyan, maraming salamat po for being our compass, for guiding us through our formative years. And I hope that whatever we're doing in our individual lives, we're making all of you proud and continue to make you proud. I wish everybody the best. Sana patuloy po nating gawin. Let's all continue doing good works. And I hope we can see each other soon, if not the soonest. Babawi ako sa susunod. Good night. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the night. Be safe. Gusto ko makita pa ulit kayo lahat sa susunod na reunion.
Hello everyone! Hello Batch 94! This is Rex, and these are my kids, my blessings, Christiana and Mary. Kumusta kayo lahat dyan? We are here, dito kami sa Laredo, Texas. Almost more than 20 years now. And hopefully all you are doing good. Happy family. This is my small family here. My eldest is in sophomore now? Junior. Junior next college, neuroscience, and this one, Mary, is going to 8th grade. And me, I'm still working for the government, for the appraisal district, doing maps. And ito, simple pa rin. Simpleng buhay. Hopefully makauwi. Overdue na makauwi, lalo itong dalawang bata. I just saw some of our batchmates, like MM, who's there right now. It was fun. My daughter was with me and she enjoyed it, meeting the other kids. And hopefully next time my older one will go with us. And to all the teachers who are there, kamusta po kayo? Ito ngayon, pamilyado na. And if ever sino makabisita dito sa Texas sa inyo, sabihin nyo lang ako. And we'll meet up. I miss you all, and sana I hope and pray everybody's healthy. All your families are complete. And that's our best blessing. And keep praying for the best for all of us, especially our kids. Na sana magkita-kita tayo. Kung di dyan, dito. I miss you all. God bless. We'll see you.
Hello everyone! Kamusta na kayo? Well, a few updates since our last reunion. Well, hindi na ako sa Sony nagtatrabaho. I work at Schneider Electric now. They focus on sustainable energy, so I guess I'm saving the planet. I'm wearing glasses na. Yun talaga pag tumatanda na. I also bought this house, so this is great. And I got a dog named Taco. I really hope I could have been there with you guys, but we didn't plan it early enough, so hindi na tuloy. So hopefully next year, makauwi ako and we get to see everybody. Wish you all the best, have fun, and I miss all of you. Bye.
What's up, class of 1994? Kamusta na mga classmates? I don't know if you guys still remember me. My name is Lion. I was originally part of the original batch there in La Salle Antipolo. I was there from second grade to first year of high school. Then I immigrated here in the US, where I finished high school and I also graduated college at University of California, San Diego. It's been a while, but through social media, I've been able to get in touch with a few of you guys. Back in April, we had a mini reunion here at Yosemite Park, where we're able to spend some time with JM, MM, Luther, Rex, Christian, Marissa, and also Tony. Yeah, we were all here at Yosemite Park. I'm sure MM and JM have some pictures to show you guys. So I just wanted to wish you guys all the best. Too bad I can't make it this time. I was there back in September, and I wanted to go back to the school so I can see how much it changed. Unfortunately, it was raining all week, so I wasn't able to do so. But next time, I definitely would like to do it, and also would like to meet you guys as well. To my teachers, Mrs. Geronimo, Mrs. Barbietto, Mr. Carlos, Mrs. Salazar, Mrs. Delimot, Mrs. Lumalang, and Mr. Godoy, I'd like to thank you all for teaching us great values and also great work ethic that definitely helped me adjust here and also helped me be successful in school and also in my career. So I just wanted to wish you guys all the best, best of health, and also you guys have fun over there in the 30th reunion. And next time I going to the Philippines, I'd like to be able to meet y'all. All right, have a good one. Peace out.
Hello classmates, hope all well. Presently, I'm in Dubai working as a child care specialist, nurse. I can say I'm happy with whatever achievements I have now in my life, and already a young grandma of 2 grandsons. I will always cherish the childhood years I had spent with you guys during elementary and high school especially. And to all my teachers of LaSalle, thank you very much for all the knowledge and good values I have learned from you, that whoever I am now, you had been a part of it, I can say. To all my classmates, thanks for all the wonderful memories. I will carry this wherever I am. Hope to see you soon, and bravo to our batch, 1994. Miss you all. I'm in Dubai.
Hello, magandang araw sa inyo lahat, mga minamahal naming mga guro, mga minamahal kong kaklase, at mga staff natin dyan, at sa LaSalle at Antipolo. Sa mga hindi nakakilala sa akin, ako si Renren Custodio. Saying hi to all you guys from Andorra, Spain. Right now I'm based sa Northern California. May asawa at 3 anak. Malaki na yung mga anak ko. Meron akong 12, meron akong 9. At mayroon akong maliit na si Pongpong na 3 years old. So, salamat Ned at binigyan mo kami ng opportunity to say hi to everybody. Kahit wala kami dyan, I hope everybody has a good time sharing stories, sharing their families, sharing their experiences. After 30 years na hindi nakita, malamang nakikita naman ng iba dyan at gusto natin makita yung mga hindi natin nakakasama ng matagal. Siyempre, namimiss natin ang mga klase natin. Sayang wala ako dyan to share all these stories with you, pero I'm happy that I'm able to share this message, sending everybody my love, sending everybody my warmest greetings. Sana nakasama pa rin natin ng mga teachers natin na nawala, tulad ni Ms. Gallardo, Mrs. Taal, no, si Mrs. Urminita, Ms. Peniquito, Mr. Arguinoso, sumalangit nawa. Sana nandyan kayo at you're still guiding us, no? Sa mga klase natin na hindi na natin kasama, tulad nila Michelangelo, no? Nila Antonio, si Michael Mata, mga minamas, si RJ, of course. Mahal na mahal namin kayo at sana kasama rin namin kayo dito. Sana nandyan din kayo at nakikipagsaya sa amin. So, maraming salamat ulit. Sana maulit ulit after a year sa 31. Kita-kita ulit tayo, no? Okay. Sige. Salamat.
Hello, everybody. This is Tony Agoncillo, or some people may know me as Tonichi Agoncillo or Antonio Agoncillo. Anyway, Ned asked me to do a little message, so here I am. Congratulations on the 30th anniversary. Anyway, as just a little bit update of myself. Since I graduated with you all, and back then as a 6th grader, I moved to LaSalle Green Hills and then to the US in 1992. Been here since, and I am now married and have 3 children, all boys. One is 16, one is 14, and the other is 10 years old. I live here in Glendale, California, and I work as a skilled nursing facility administrator. And I wish I could be there, because I'm sure, my gosh, you guys are all having so much fun. Anyway, I am going to be there though 2 weeks from now, and maybe we can get in contact with each other. Anyway, best of luck to everybody and congratulations again. Bye.
Good evening everyone. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan to. Bali, minessage ako ni Ned sa Facebook to make a video message para sa 30 years reunion natin. I think this will be the last video message na gagawin ko. Kasi next time I make sure na I will attend sa lahat ng reunion na i-organize nyo. At sa lahat ng teachers na nandyan ngayon at school staff, thank you po sa pag-attend nyo. At thank you rin po sa being a second parent sa aming lahat. At I take this chance and opportunity nga pala sa lahat ng mga inasar ko noon, binuli at nilait-lait noon at saka ngayon. I'm sorry guys. Kasi para sa akin yung asaran is part of our life na. At yung high school life is the best part of my life. Kasi I met a brother and sister from different mother. At saka nga pala, congrats nga pala sa atin sa 30 years na tayo guys. At sana sa 35 years magawa natin na kumpleto tayong lahat. Sama-sama, kasi hindi na tayo buwabata. Baka iba sa atin kunin na ni Lord, iba magkasakit, tapos yung iba balik tokhang na naman. Joseph, parang awa mo na, magtino ka na. At saka nga pala, bago ko makalimutan, Ate M, sa 50th birthday mo, a-attend talaga ako. Okay? Bye guys!
Hey guys! Kumusta kayo lahat dyan? Sorry, hindi ako makatin ng reunion natin. Sa vacation kasi ako with my family. I'm here right now in Ibiza in Spain. You know, pero kung wala ako dito, I would rather be there in your reunion kasi masaya. Miss ko na kayong lahat eh. Anyway, just an update. Me and my family has been living now in New York for the past 18 years. You know, I have a son. His name is Russell. My wife's Heidi. And I work as a director in a hospital. And eventually, I think I'll still retire in the US, but maybe one of the sunny states, like maybe Florida. But right now, I'll still be in New York, you know. If any one of you come visit, I'll be so happy to, you know, take you guys around. Pasensya na, minsan, nawawala ako sa mga group conversation. Medyo busy lang, you know. We're all busy. I understand that. But I think we're in a stage of our life that we have been friends for so long that even we don't communicate on a regular basis, I think we know deep within us that we could always count or depend on each other. And I think that's the kind of relationship we have now, you know, with that through the years, so many years of being like friends. And, you know, whenever we see each other, parang wala lang. It's like we didn't really like miss a lot of stuff because, you know, anything that's important in our lives, you know, we tell each other. And even though I'm not really active with communication, you know that I'm always here whenever you guys need me. I am always available to help whenever I can. You know, mahal ko naman kayong lahat eh. Kaya sa mga FG dyan, huwag niyo akong pag-uusapan dahil wala ako dyan. So, may question ako nabasa sa I think it's one of the group chat, like, sinong pinaka-pogi? Hindi, syempre ako yon. Wala namang ibang mas pogi sa atin lahat eh. Hindi ako lang eh. Actually, yung dalawang heartthrobs eh, wala dyan eh. Sa reunion, it's me and Renren. Kasi I'm number 1, Renren's number 2, Mike's number 3, and the rest are just, they're all the same. But anyway, mahal ko kayong lahat and I miss you all. Hope to see you guys soon. And I love you. Bye. Ciao.